Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Ever felt like something precious was just broken? Today I want to share a story about Adil, a 12-year-old boy, and his incredible journey with a broken kite. Trust me, it's a powerful reminder for all of us. Adil cherished this old red kite. It wasn't just any kite. It was a gift from his late father, a memory, a piece of his heart. One sunny afternoon, Adil was up on the rooftop with all his friends. The sky was a carnival of colors as kites danced in the wind. But Adil's kite, it was torn. It wouldn't fly. His friends, meaning well perhaps, but a little too quick to judge, told him to just throw it away. "It's broken, Adil, get a new one," they'd say, laughing as their own kites soared. You can imagine how that felt, right? To have something so meaningful dismissed so easily. Adil felt a pang of sadness, but deep down he knew this kite was more than just cloth and string. It was a connection to his father, and throwing it away felt like throwing away a piece of him. He remembered his father's gentle voice. "Every kite can fly again, son, if you fix it with patience." Those words echoed in his mind, sparking a little flicker of hope. Instead of giving in to despair or the teasing, Adil sat down, his heart filled with quiet determination. He found some tape, a needle, and thread. With careful hands, he began to mend the torn fabric. It wasn't easy. His fingers fumbled sometimes, but he kept going, remembering his father's lesson. Each stitch, each piece of tape, was an act of love, of persistence. His friends watched, some still scoffing, others now curious. They probably thought he was wasting his time, but Adil knew better. Finally, the repairs were done. The old red kite, still a little wrinkled but whole again, looked ready. Adil took a deep breath, and with a gentle push he released it into the breeze. Adil looked up, a huge, triumphant smile spreading across his face. It wasn't just the kite that was soaring, it was his heart. He felt a profound sense of gratitude and pride. His friends, their mouths agape, couldn't believe their eyes. They had told him to give up, but Adil had shown them the power of patience, care, and belief. Remember, sometimes the mended things are the most precious of all. What's a broken kite moment you've experienced in your life? Share it in the comments below. If this story touched your heart, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more uplifting content, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out. Thanks for watching, and keep believing.